Hello everyone, my name is Stef and welcome to this video about technical analysis of Bitcoin and the crypto markets. So right now Bitcoin on the daily chart is correcting and people are panicking because they are not seeing that Bitcoin can correct. Like this one was a pretty good correction and it went to the 75 or no, the 200 EMA on the daily, which was very healthy, and people were very skeptical of this, and I bought somewhere here and I sold somewhere here, but I didn't think that Bitcoin will go like this parabolic, but that's it. So right now the only signs of bearish divergence is on the daily. We have a high and then a higher high, but the indicator says otherwise. So in the other thing that is very crucial for this is this may be a ending diagonal. So you have like something like this, a rising wedge, and probably going to correct probably to this zone to 1370, and then probably continuation to going higher. And if it goes lower, I'm buying. So that's for Bitcoin. Let's see on the weekly scale. Right now on the weekly scale, let's remove all the drawing tools. So if you like this tool, I'm using HyperTrader. You can use my code HyperStef, CryptoStef, and you'll get 50% discount. And let's continue. So you have the you have tested the 06786. Which has completed the Gartley pattern, and if you take from the 0 to the A, and you have correctly taken, let's just put the correct values. So right now the Gartley has been completed. I have made this this analysis like 3 months ago, and I didn't think it will be hit because there was so much cluster and uncertainty in this period, and when it hit like this. And so right now probably if it goes lower, I'm buying it. So my stop loss will be this 9500 zone, 9500, and my target for this, if I see this as a 1-2, you can take the, let's remove all the drawing tools, and you can take the trend-based FIP extension from the bottom to the top and draw it to the low. You have $21,300, which is the third wave extension. So it can go even higher, like to 32,000. So here's my zone for selling. This is a zone for selling, and zone for buying is this. So this is my probable zone for buying if it's tested on the weekly scale. And I like to say that Bitcoin can correct, and corrections are healthy, and you should not panic. You just need to buy the dip. Let's see Ethereum USD. Ethereum USDT. So right now we have tested on the weekly scale the weekly support, and this is a clear buy opportunity on Ethereum. The only thing that is not healthy is this bearish divergence on the weekly. So we have a bearish divergence and probably a double top, but as long as it holds the 4380, I'm bullish. The ultimate target for this is probably, if you are a harmonic trader, I have drawn this on my Discord. You can join. I will put a link below in the description. So you have like a old bet, something like that, like 113. So the ultimate targets is 930. the conservative target for this is 750. So yeah, that's for Ethereum. The only thing Ethereum is not good doing is the BTC pair. Right now it's on a weekly support, but look at this candle. It's not a decision, so you have like a bar, an inside candle, and then another inside candle. So if this closes below this weekly support, then your next probable target is this cluster, and after that I'm not thinking that Ethereum is going up. So let's see, basically if this low is taken, then probability of going as lower is high. But Bitcoin is very bullish. I don't think that Ethereum will just drop like a rock. But who knows, if Bitcoin is very bullish, alts will drop. And that's for the technical analysis of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I hope you like it. I hope you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.